Okay, now we're ready for our very last distance example, and I hope it helps you get through your distance word problems in Module 5B. So here we go, remembering our formula, distance equals rate times time. Now let's read our problem and let's make a decision. What kind of problem are we dealing with? From a point on a straight road, Nico and Kelsey ride bicycles in the same direction. Nico rides at 7 miles per hour and Kelsey rides at 11 miles per hour. In how many hours will they be 24 miles apart? So let's do some identification. What's happening on this problem? Well, we've got two people, right? Yep, Nico and Kelsey, that's it. And they're going in what direction? Same direction, different directions? What's happening here? Yes, they're going in the same direction. Real important. And what happened too? It says that they started from a point on the straight road. So that means they're starting from the same point and they're going in the same direction. Okay, we've got that part. We already can see what's going to happen on this thing. Nico is my slower rider, so we'll put him on the top, and Kelsey is my faster rider. Okay, so now let's look at it. Remembering your formula, we have distance equals rate times time. We also have a slower and a faster one, and then right here it gives you an idea. It says they're going to go 24 miles apart. That means you're looking for the distance between these two because it's going to be apart. And how far apart are they going to be according to our problem? Yeah, you've got it. 24 miles. Okay, so now what's happening on this thing? Well, we've got Kelsey has ridden farther than Nico. So it's Kelsey's distance minus Nico's distance. So let's write that down. Kelsey's distance minus Nico's distance. And that's going to equal the distance apart. The distance apart. Okay? So now let's find out. What is Nico's distance? Well, we know what it is because we know the rate. So that helps us. What is Nico's rate? Yeah, you got it. 7 miles per hour. And what is Kelsey's rate? Yeah, it's 11 miles per hour. What's the time? That's what we want to know, right? How many hours? That's our time right there. Remember, time is going to be our t. So distance times time. Rate, distance equals rate times time, and rate times time. So now we've got our picture. It's all filled out. We know exactly what we're going to do. So let's go now to Kelsey's distance is what? 11t. Minus Nico's distance is 7t is equal to the distance apart is 24. So let's rewrite it up here. 11t minus 7t equals 24. Okay? You got that? We're not adding this time, we're subtracting. So keep that in mind. 11 minus 7 gives you 4, so we end up with 4t is equal to 24. Multiplication again, so we have to undo it by that. Yeah, you're right, division, and do it to both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1, leaving you with 1t, or simply t, and 24 divided by 4 is, yeah, I hear that, 6. So, what's our answer? How many hours will they be for 24 miles apart? Well, what did it tell us? It told us it's 6. So 6 hours is what it's going to be. So my time equals 6. So 6 hours is my answer to the question. Now, could we check this, guys? We sure could. We could take that time and plug it back in. 11 times 6, minus 7 times 6. Does that equal 24? Let's try. 66 minus 42. Does that equal 24? It sure does. 24 equals 24. Yes, it checks out. You can always check these things out by going and putting them back in and working it through and seeing if it's right or not. So, you are all set now. All you have to do now is work through all the word problems on your distance in Module 5B. Good luck.